Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test an O2 sensor wiring harness. A properly functioning oxygen sensor is vital for your engine's performance and emissions control. Understanding how to test its wiring harness is a crucial step in diagnosing engine light issues and ensuring your vehicle runs efficiently. We'll go over the importance of this diagnostic process, the tools you'll need, and how to approach it safely. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to check your O2 sensor's electrical connections. Before diving into the testing, let's gather our essential tools and discuss safety. You'll need a reliable multimeter, your vehicle's wiring diagrams, and some basic hand tools. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's battery to prevent electrical shorts or accidental power surges. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as sturdy gloves and eye protection, to safeguard yourself from any potential hazards. Taking these precautions ensures a safe and effective diagnostic process. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step procedure for testing your O2 sensor wiring harness. First, locate the oxygen sensor and its corresponding electrical connector. Using your multimeter, carefully check for continuity across each wire and verify the correct voltage supply. It's essential to consult your vehicle's service manual for the precise voltage and resistance specifications. Additionally, perform a thorough visual inspection of the entire harness for any signs of fraying, corrosion, or physical damage. This systematic approach helps pinpoint any issues. Once you've completed the tests, it's time to interpret your findings and plan your next steps. Different multimeter readings will indicate the health of your wiring harness, helping you identify common problems like open circuits, short circuits, or excessive resistance. Based on these results, you can determine if a simple repair, such as fixing a damaged wire or a complete replacement of the harness, is necessary. If you're ever unsure about your readings or the best course of action, don't hesitate to consult a qualified automotive professional for expert guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.